This tutorial is about removing a background on a picture. Just click the picture, right click, then click open with, then click photos, then click edit on the top left corner of your screen. Now click background, then click remove on the right side of your screen. Save options, save as copy. It's a duplicate picture or copy. Then choose your location, click save. Now you can now see that your picture has no background. This will be the output of the picture. So I hope you learned something new today. Bye bye guys.